Gender-based cybercrime. A report revealed that FA Lahore received more than 5,500 complaints of cybercrimes in 2018 involving hacking, identity theft, cyberbullying, cyberstalking, financial fraud, digital piracy, intellectual property rights violations, electronic terrorism, and extortion. Most harassment cases are reported where females are victims. FAA had established National Response Centers for Cybercrime, NR3C, aimed at empowering women so that they could raise their voices against online harassment comfortably. However, the National Response Centers were established only in Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, Peshawar, Rawalpindi, and Quetta, depriving women in other areas of the opportunity to report online harassment. The process of filing online complaints is slow, as 30 to 60 days are usually required to process a complaint, because of which many women avoid reporting their issues. Causes of crime. Regardless of the specific situation, women are often held in positions that are deemed secondary to men and that contain less power. This leaves girls and women vulnerable to violence in various forms. Men commit violence against women that serves to humiliate, dominate, and oppress as part of a patriarchal system that values men over women in most situations. When women do commit violence against men, it is often done in self-defense after a long period in a violent situation. There is no single feminist approach. Instead, feminist criminology, as a part of feminist theory, has been informed by a variety of feminist perspectives. 1. Liberal feminism on crimes against women. Some scholars have approached the study of girls, women, and crime from the liberal feminist perspective. This perspective views the inequality, as well as other social problems, faced by women as a direct result of a society that views women as unequal to men. Liberal feminists say that laws mandating equal treatment on the basis of sex are the solution. Advocates of the liberal view use education, integration, and litigation to address gender inequality. Number 2. Radical feminism on crimes against women. Radical feminists see an existing social system, especially one rooted in patriarchy, institutional arrangements that enforce male privilege, as crucial to understanding women's status and women's crime. Scholars adopting this perspective have been responsible for informing the nature and extent of female victimization, in particular, wife battery and sexual assault at the hands of males, often in intimate and power-imbalanced relationships. 3. Marxist feminism. This perspective focuses on the crimes of the powerful, which are often not prosecuted, while the crimes of the powerless are hyped and heavily policed. In line with this view, Marxist feminists observe capitalism as the most important social structure, one that places women at a societal disadvantage over men because they are even more economically marginalized than their male counterparts. Number 4. Socialist feminists. Socialist feminists point out that two of the most important social structural conditions, capitalism and patriarchy, place women at a disadvantage. Socialist feminists see the disadvantages faced by women as a direct result of this placement. From this perspective, society would need to be completely restructured away from both capitalism and patriarchy to alleviate both gender and class inequities. 5. Third-wave feminists. Third-wave feminists focus on how gender, race, and class intersect to put some women at greater disadvantage than others.